Welcome to Huixin Aluminum factory. This is our virtual tour. Let's go on a tour around the Huixin Aluminum factory. To meet different market needs, we have more than 10,000 providers since 2010. Here's the place where we stock the extrusion booth.
Let me show you around our production workshop. Our factory is equipped with 6 extrusion lines, powder coating line, anodizing line, and wooden grain line. It's for mill finished products. You can see different kinds of aluminum profiles here. Look at these. These are curtain track profiles. And these are window and door profiles. Moreover, Huixin Aluminum team has shipped aluminum profiles to over 60 countries worldwide. Any aluminum extrusion profiles could be customized if providing us samples or drawings. Some aluminum profiles require surface treatment. Let's move on to visit the powder coating and anodizing facility.